Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Auto's quick video today on the SLK 230, showing you how to do a rotor job. I know there are plenty of videos out there that does this, but this is quick, simple, to the point. And by the way guys, trivia question for some of you out there, can you tell me what that pin is? What does it represent? Anyway ladies, don't forget to like, also gentlemen, share and subscribe. Let's get to the video. So we're looking at the SLK 230 and I'm going to be doing a rotor job on the rear rotors. I'm going to switch them out as a pair. I'm going to need a 16mm socket, take off the brake caliper, and then we're going to also need 5mm socket right here to take off this holder pin. Alright, so going into the back to look at the caliper, this is the caliper right here. We're going to go back in the back of it and we're going to see two bolts, one here, one there. Those are 16mm, so I'm just going to put my socket on that. I've already pre-loosened it, so I'm just going to take them off. This one, second one, pre-loosened it. I'm going to use this pin popper just to pry caliper out. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you want, just to remove it from the rotor. And then it's not a good idea to leave this hanging, so I'm just gonna prop that up and out of the way. I don't like tying them up either. We're gonna remove this holder pin. So I'm using a 5mm hex socket. I'm gonna just loosen that up. I already saturated it with WD-40 earlier. Let it sit for about half an hour or so. Alright ladies and gentlemen, now you're going to use a rubber mallet. I don't know where my rubber mallet is, so I'm just going to go ahead and just, using a 2x4 that's cut short, I can hammer that to death. Grab this and pull this off. Yeah. There's a new rotor right there. Make sure it's recessed like that. That's the one you want to. It's the one you want to hit. Put the 5mm holder pin back in. Nice. The other one was within spec still, but it's getting a weird wobble when we press the brake pads. It's kind of warped. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll then need to maybe separate those pads out a little bit. I use a flathead screwdriver just to pry them open. And then you put it back on. Put it back on, put it back on, put it back on. Bolt it in place with the two 16mm bolts. Let's do that now. Put the wheel back on together. Oh, now we're going to do the other side. You got to do these in pairs. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier.
Thanks. Peace out.